Let's read What Daddies Like. What Daddies Like by Judy, Carey, Nevin, illustrated by Stephanie Six. Daddies like smooches. Daddies like hugs. Daddies like good morning to you. Daddies like adventures. Daddies like swings. Daddies like playing kangaroo. Daddies like monsters. Daddies like roars. Daddies like quiet time too. Daddies like splashes. Daddies like boats. Daddies like peekaboo. Daddies like jammies. Daddies like stars. Daddies like nightlights. It's true. Daddies like snuggles. Daddies like sleep. And most of all, daddies like I love you. The end.